Hi, this is Justine González. Welcome to my channel. Let's dive into these 2 easy brunch recipes. They were so delicious. I made a loaf of bread homemade, and that's part of what you're going to see in this caramel apple walnut bread pudding recipe. Now, here's a reaction from my hubby. We had a blast making this video together and taste testing our recipe. So we used 2 types of bread in our bread pudding. And like I said, I made a homemade bread. It didn't turn out quite the way I wanted, so it was really dense. So we mixed in some sourdough. So we used 2 types of bread, a soft bread and then a more dense one. Let's go to this Denver Omelette Brunch Casserole first though. Welcome to my kitchen. You're also seeing some of the caramel apple walnut bread pudding there. They are both really great recipes. You're going to cook at 350 degrees in your oven, but they're great recipes for personalizing and using the ingredients that you want. So let's start with the ingredients for the Denver Omelette Brunch Casserole. You're going to use eggs, serrano chilies, green peppers, green onions. We also used an andouille chicken sausage that was just amazing throughout. And then you see the different seasonings that you can throw into your taste. So again, what I love about both of these recipes and our creation of them is that you can interchange ingredients as you see fit and to your tastes. We also topped the caramel apple walnut bread pudding with some Cool Whip as well as caramel. It would be really good with some sea salt. We also cube up and make our cinnamon apples. We made those in advance, and those have some butter, brown sugar, as well as cinnamon, clove, and a few other spices. So all in all, this is a spicy, savory, delicious, warm, hearty bite, and you're gonna want more. So thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to this new playlist with my recipes, and let's continue to engage together. Thank you again so much for stopping by. All of your support really helps. And if you like this recipe, comment below.